Now it's time to give our Firefly Petunias some food. So here's a sample of the Light Bio's Firefly Petunia Nutrition, which is specifically formulated to keep your Firefly Petunias happy and glowing. They are extremely heavy feeders, so please give them lots of love and fertilizer. And we're gonna go through how to do this. So first things first, we're gonna follow the instructions that are located on the front of the packet. We're going to mix 1 gallon of water right here. I'm trying not to spill it all over myself. And we're going to apply this to the roots of the plant by watering the plant for a bounty of flowers. For optimal growth, we're going to feed our petunia every 1 to 2 weeks throughout the growing season. All right, now that we have our Firefly Petunia Nutrition food, we're gonna water it right into the sky. We can now feed our Firefly Petunias every 1 to 2 weeks throughout the growing season. If you have some fertilizer water left over, you can keep this for your next watering as well. Just cover it and place it in a shaded area. If you need any more of these, you can get them in packs of 5 on the Light Bio website.